Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're here aboard this brand new 275 Scout Dorado. Now this is one awesome boat, I'll tell you what. In the back cockpit area you'll see multiple seating all the way around. This is absolutely fantastic. There is a table that goes in there in the center as well for when you're entertaining. However, with a flip of the hand, all these seats fold up and get out of your way. A little difficult to tell in the video, but you can see just with a few that I folded up, you got a much bigger cockpit. So when you're at the sandbar or doing a dinner cruise with the family, having fun, you got tons of seating and comfort. When you're fishing, diving, or need more room in the cockpit, even the dance floor as I call it, you got tons of room as well with all the seats folded up. The helm, very, very comfortably configured. Garmin GPS fish finder. Has a Fusion stereo that's awesome sound. Optimus steering that's an upgrade. Makes it super easy to drive. Very, very nice boat for driving and handling. Now this boat is also equipped with a very nice head compartment. Proper marine toilet and sink, and lots of room. The seating in this boat, as far as helm and passenger, very comfortable. They flip up and down as a bolster, very comfortable for seating that way. This boat's also equipped with a sunshade that pulls out in the aft. A little difficult to see in the video, but it really works well. Lots of room, lots of storage. Great riding boat, great boat to have with the family, having fun. I'll tell you, you can't beat this boat. It's got to get out and ride on it. For more information, please feel free to call me, Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart. I'll be happy to get you out for a ride and give you more information on it. Thank you very much for your time.